Today I will show you what's in my camera bag for a music video shoot in 2021. So I'm about to shoot a music video upcoming weekend and I'm going to show you how I prepare my stuff and what I take with me. Full disclosure, I don't own a camera bag. I have a bag and I put my camera inside, but it's not really a camera bag. It's just a bag where I put stuff inside, and I have certain bags for lights and stuff like that. Why don't I own a camera bag? Well, I'm a moron. That's why. And if you are a camera bag company, just send one over. I will definitely use it. Now let's look what I take with me. Definitely my Godox SL60W with the Light Dome Mini 2 attached and the spilling wave, whatever you want to call it. Well, of course, my Sony a7 III with the 1.8 135mm G Master lens to get some real good crispy sharp close-up shots. Then of course the Sony a7S III, which we are filming right now, with the 24-70 Sigma lens, which will be my main camera. Of course the DJI Ronin SC2 to get some real smooth and real stable shots here. Of course a couple of extra batteries, it's always good when you prepare. My DJI Mavic Pro 2, which is my absolutely go-to drone because the quality is so amazing and it's so small and simple. You can fit that in every single backpack. The battery comes with a little case as well. Of course, for sunny days we got ND filter and ND4, ND8 and ND16. And pretty cheap but not too bad polarized filter from Amazon. One of those small little aperture lights right here comes with a little diffuser, which is really nice. And you have some magnets on the back of the light so you can stick it and like leave it wherever you want. My absolute favorite light is this little bowling light right here. It's super bright and has this little attachment right here so you can mount it or place it wherever you want. Really dope light. I love these. Those come with a little bag here. Of course, one of those bouncers or whatever you want to call those kind of things. There is gold and in the inner there is silver. They come really helpful and handy, and I mean it's small, light, you can put it wherever you want. One of my favorite things is definitely this little power bank right here from Nouveau. Really strong and powerful, and this can power up my Godox SL60 on full blast up to 30 minutes. Well, if I want to mount the camera to the car, I have one of those Belkin car mount socket things, whatever you want to call these. I'm not sure if I would recommend that because everything looks pretty great except for the mount. I don't know if you can see that, except for the mount of the camera. So this thing will definitely stay on the car. It's really hard and strong, but I'm not sure if I should trust this with my a7S III. But you know, sometimes you have to take some risks to get extra crazy shots. Well, gaffer tape is definitely a go-to for your camera bag. There will be situations where you just have to tape stuff, and those will come definitely handy. Go to check out the Instagram account called Shitty Rigs. It's pretty funny what people does with this gaffer tape and how they create amazing camera rigs just out of nothing. Of course, I got a pliers with me. Why? Because you never know when you're gonna need it and when you have to fix or grab or whatever. It came handy in the past a couple of times, so I highly recommend to have some tools with you. And last but not least, I got a couple of those smoke bombs. They make a really great effect. I have them in different colors, in blue, yellow, red, green, whatever. So check them out. Don't use them indoors, be careful, but those make really dope effects. Yeah, and that's what I take with me on a music video shoot. Let me know if I missed something. If you want a camera bag company, just send me some camera bags, please. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.